Hey, I'm Rajveer Singh, a student of SCMHRD Pune. Technically, I'm a mechanical engineer, but I worked at a land development project as a project manager, and now I'm here studying business analytics. As a project manager, I was responsible for 25 acres of land, converting it from agricultural status to non-agricultural status. I was armed with a 5-person team while being in constant collaboration with external stakeholders and also in constant contact with government offices to ensure the compliances were met. While on the job, I realized how reliant I was on data to make informed decisions. This led me down a rabbit hole into researching what analytics was all about, and I realized that this is where I want my career to be. And to get a strong start, SCMHRD was the best bet. Analytics is everywhere, and the scope of it in the industry is limitless, with opportunities in every core function of businesses. I want to be at the forefront of this industry, using data in creative ways to make the world a better place. Thank you.